Hello guys, so welcome back to the channel, and this is ballerina face number 2 for the day. I am really happy with how this has turned out. I can really start to see an overall improvement in my sketches and proportions, and that being able to capture the reference picture very quickly and still capture the essentially the kind of character of the person, as well as the layout and the proportions. So I'm really happy with that. The methods that I've been using are good speed, geometric and observational. Very slight bit of Loomis. You might be able to see a very slight line going across the way, essentially where the eyes, nose and mouth would be. Originally I would have drawn circles and then circles within circles, but I'm coming away from that and creating less lines, which has allowed me to speed things up. These took 3 minutes each, which I'm delighted at the fact that they are only taking me 3 minutes now. The second one didn't work out, so I stopped it. I could see that I essentially couldn't save it, and so I just stopped it, thinking that there's no point carrying on. I'll just be I won't be happy with the overall sketch, so I just abandoned it and went on to the third one, which works out. That's the closest that I could actually get to the original reference picture. So really happy, using less lines and less pressure on the pencil, and I'm getting closer to capturing the original reference. Let me know if you are actually using these methods as well to apply to any of your artwork or even learning in general. It's a really good feedback loop so that you sketch or you do your task. Allow yourself maximum 4 minutes and then have 1 minute analysis. And that is basically how I am utilising these methods and capturing the sketches and reference photos a lot quicker. So let me know. Thanks guys, bye.